Hey, if you want to add location into your photos watermark on the Poco F8 Ultra, like in my case, well, all you have to do is just to open the photo mode in the camera, go into this arrow, now select settings and go to the watermark. Next, you have to select the classic first watermark, just this one. Click on the edit icon and now go to the position and you have to select location. And in most cases, you will be redirected to the settings. You have to grant permission into the location for camera, and then after taking another photo, it will be available in the right bottom corner. And also you can check if some other, watermarks doesn't have that option. Over here, as you can see, you can also change that position. Instead of the coordinates, you can add location. So take a look. Let's try if it is here. Yeah, as you can see, it appears just over here.